Good morning and happy Tuesday to you. Now, yes, I'm ready for the holidays. It's gonna get chilly outside. So when we have parties to go to and it's getting chilly outside, these two recipes are gonna work for you. You need something to bring? How about these cocoa peppermint cookies? Now, a lot of people like bark, the peppermint bark. Same thing. So in our bowl, we have flour, we have cocoa powder, baking soda, pinch of salt. Here, I have butter that's soft, white sugar, light brown sugar. Now we're gonna cream the butter and the sugar together. Once that creams together, we're gonna add in, oh, here it is, a little vanilla and a little mint extract. We'll get that worked in, then we slowly start working in the flour. Now it's gonna be kind of thick, it's not gonna be loose. We'll drop one egg in at a time, get that mixed in. And like I said, it's gonna be tight. Then let's start working our cocoa powder and flour in. Once we get that folded in and get it all together, fold in your chocolate chips and your mint chips, okay? Just take a wooden spoon, kind of fold those in. You're gonna make little bitty balls, pinch off a piece, rub it in a little bitty ball, about that big, and then you can dip it into some more sprinkles just on one side, just on the top. And this is how they come out. That little bit of mint on the top, when it bakes, spreads out. Now don't do too much, or don't roll it in the mint because it'll melt on the bottom side. Just dip the tops in. But this is great for you to keep at home for friends coming over, or if you need to go somewhere. Now, everybody's had stuffed bell peppers. Why not make a bell pepper soup? And that's what I have going here. So in the pan, I had a little bit of oil, and this morning, I decided to use a combination of ground meat and breakfast sausage. Yeah, just the typical breakfast sausage. Now, into that, I put in a little bit of Creole seasoning, a little thyme, a little Italian seasoning, of course some garlic, and I'm about to add some more garlic in. But then I put in red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. We could do green. I'm going all sweet. Green has a little tartness to it, but the red, yellow, and the gold peppers are more sweeter. And that's what's going on here. So into this, we're gonna put in a little bit of crushed tomatoes. We'll get in some diced tomatoes, little Worcestershire for seasoning, and let it cook. We'll add a little beef stock to this. And once it cooks for a while, 5 minutes before serving, let's put in a little bit of rice. The rice is already cooked, so it's everything that goes into a stuffed bell pepper, but it's in a soup. This version is the exact same thing, but you notice I have the vegetable sauteing off without the meat. So this is gonna be the exact same thing. And you know what, in this one, you could go with tofu. I have some of the black bean burgers that I'm gonna just chop those up, break that up, and fold that into this one, put a little rice in, and then we'll have a vegetarian version of the same soup. So, it's getting chilly outside, and if you don't feel like making stuffed bell peppers, go ahead and make this bell pepper soup, or make it vegetarian style, and then sit back and have yourself a cocoa peppermint cookie, all right? For WWL, I am Chef Kevin Belton, and have yourself a great Tuesday. Stay warm out there.